How to fix the Roblox Error Code 280. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Roblox Error Code 280 usually indicates that your Roblox version is outdated. So here are the steps to fix it. The very first thing you need to do is uninstall the Roblox currently available. For this, tap on the Windows search bar and type in Add or Remove the programs. This will now open another page from the settings. Here you will see all of your installed application. Search for Roblox in the list of programs and then choose the uninstall. This option is usually available on these three dots from where you can uninstall it. Once you have successfully uninstalled the Roblox, you will have to install Roblox with the latest version. For this, open any of your preferred browser and then go to the official Roblox website. You can type in Roblox download and you will see the option. After that, you might be asked to log in into your account and then navigate to any game. Then after, you can click the play button and you'll be prompted to download and install Roblox if you cannot find it. And you can follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After reinstalling, make sure to open the Roblox to confirm that the latest version has been installed, and this will successfully resolve your error code. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.